turn up.
You get past that. Where?
Can you turn up?
Oh. Hey,
Hey, what's up?
Tip
Hey, what's up, everybody? You know what day it is. It's Tip Drill Tuesday, y'all. And our tip for today is this. Really quick, get into it. So, a lot of y'all, we posted the other day about there are new construction homes being built. A builder is built under $300,000. So, we're out here looking at one of those communities. They only have like 2 homes that they're still building. There's no AC in there. So, we're probably not going to walk the actual home until they have a model or something ready. But anyways, our point is that this is what, like, how far from downtown Dallas?
27 minutes.
It's a delay response, but we got that. 27 minutes.
27.
I don't know why we couldn't just round that down
You
to
have
25
to be precise.
minutes. Okay.
27 minutes. But GPS, you know, you can give or take a few minutes, you know, here and there.
25 minutes from downtown from downtown Dallas. But our point in that is that in order to get what you're looking for, to get a home right now in a budget that you can afford, you're gonna have to go further than what you're used to.
And that's just a little.
It's just a little further. It's okay, but at least you get a brand new home. They're offering incentives.
Yes. Yes. I have them.
Jen has incentives, but the music can play at the same time.
It won't on my phone.
Oh God, we need to upgrade.
Yes. So 2 move-in items like refrigerator, washer and dryer, things like that, or whatever that you get to choose, and they're also giving money towards closing. Which you know, she's a beast as far as negotiating that.
Right. Yeah.
So she can always even get you probably a little bit more than even what you're selling. So there you go. I think that's it.
That's excellent.
$2,500 towards additional options as well.
Yeah.
So there we go.
Good job. It's excellent.
Okay, let me find the music.
Music. So we'll just show you the community, the grounds, their building or whatever. But again, location. You can get a brand new construction home. You can be in a, whatever. I think there's like 1,600 square feet, almost 1,700 square feet for less than $300,000, and we can also work on that price if we need to. But hold on. Let us show you the community.
Wait for it.
What do you normally say?
Un momento.
I know. Okay, so here we go.
Hey, Mr. DJ.
Yeah, there you go. And so you see they've already started building 2 homes over there. I mean, we would go check it out, but like it's real hot, y'all. Ain't no AC in there. So we're out here sweating. But Ferris, Texas. That's where we are. We're in Ferris, Texas. And they're building out here. So it may be a little further than what you want, but hey, you get what you want. A brand new home.
Brand new.
Choose to wins. Hit us up. Call or text. Hit the link. Schedule your free consultation. Remember, our services are free to buyers. Yes. This is your Tip Drill Tuesday. Choose to win.